Okay guys, welcome back. I always like to make an end lesson. This is the end of the project. We learn how to work with Iris, how to load it, how to use it. This is really easy. How to predict data and all the things we need for using Iris classifier. Okay, if we why this is data is working well with Iris, it's because the Iris data is created for using this KN neighbors to learn on it. But you can use something else and another ones if you think on these models. Okay, let's go to save our data. And if you want, you can just import the Iris to a CSV file. That's easy. It's some training for you. And if it is hard for you, don't be worried. You don't need a good mathematical experience or something really huge for learning programming. I'm not good at math at first, but as you see, we don't need it very well. I really hope you enjoy this project too. I think this is the fourth or fifth project of the channel. I don't really remember, but it's good. I really enjoying this course. Should you enjoy too? Now if you want, you can accept the works and done them by machine learning. This is really easy. You can also learn another scikit-learn libraries for machine learning. They are really easy to use, and you can done a great job by them. This is the end of our machine learning course by now, I think. Now we are going for change of the subject to something amazing with our Python that make you very feel better about your programming knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On the next lesson we were doing something amazing and something amazing that you really like it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to see tomorrow's lesson. I think we are going to do something on YouTube. Yes, we are going to do something on YouTube, and maybe I change our IDLE to see you tomorrow.